We are back with an update on the unrest in Israel. Demonstrators taking to the streets today in Jerusalem after lawmakers passed a controversial bill to limit when the Supreme Court can intervene in government actions.
In response, businesses are closing their doors and thousands of military reservists say they won't report for duty. ABC's Faith Abubey has the latest.
Anger on the streets of Jerusalem as widespread protests against a multi-stage plan to overhaul the judicial system intensify. Thousands packing the streets, some tying themselves to each other near the Supreme Court, and police officers seen blasting demonstrators with water cannons.
We're here to protect our democracy. We were left with no choice but to go to disobedience.
Inside the Israeli parliament, opposition lawmakers storming out in defiance. The remaining members of the Knesset unanimously passing a highly controversial measure to limit the court's power to block government decisions it deems unreasonable.
I am 100% in favor of this judicial reform. I think my country needs it.
Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and allies argue that the plans to overhaul the judiciary is about returning power to the government. But critics have called it a full-blown coup meant to crush Israel's Supreme Court and protect Netanyahu, who's facing criminal charges for bribery and corruption. The long-serving leader has dismissed the allegations and called criticism that the judicial reform would destroy democracy absurd. The Monday vote coming just hours after Netanyahu was released from the hospital after a two-night stay where he was fitted with a pacemaker, according to his doctor. Meantime, the White House calling the passing of the judicial overhaul bill unfortunate.
Major changes in a democracy should be, if they're going to be enduring, must have as broad a consensus as possible.
President Biden said it didn't make sense for Netanyahu to move ahead with the plans for judicial overhaul, saying that given the range of threats and challenges facing Israel right now, the plan has become more divisive, not less. But the White House says the U.S. will continue to support Israeli leaders to build a broader consensus through political dialogue. In Washington, Faith Abubey, ABC News.